Hey guys, what's happening? Here is Dinosaur LeBron. Hi. Today we're going to show you how to make very delicious and smoky baby back ribs in your home without grill.
We're gonna use a Dinosaur barbecue sauce. Dinosaur Barbecue is a restaurant chain in upstate New York as well as in the New York City area. It happens to be one of my favorite barbecue restaurants. We're gonna use their Sensuous Slathering sauce. They have some other flavors such as Wango Tango, which is another favorite of ours. We're also going to use liquid smoke. Liquid smoke is a liquid that you can put on your meat so that it gets this smoky flavor when you're cooking it in your oven.
We're going to review Dinosaur barbecue sauce, and also we're going to do a mukbang, which means we're going to eat. Stay tuned.
We have a slab of pork baby back ribs, and I cut it in half. I'm gonna place it on foil. Take your Dinosaur barbecue sauce and pour it on top. Flip it over. Do the other side. Rub it in. Just want to coat the ribs. Also add a few drops of liquid smoke since this is going to be going into the oven. Now you're going to wrap your ribs, starting on the edges there. And wrap it really tight. Leave this in the refrigerator overnight so that the baby back ribs get the flavor of the barbecue sauce. So it's the next day and we took our ribs out of the refrigerator and left it on the counter for about an hour. And now we're going to put the ribs in the oven for an hour and 45 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. An hour and a half has passed, and now we're going to set the oven to 375. We're going to take out the ribs. Oh, it smells really good. Sit on our counter. We're going to take the ribs out. Take a peek. Oh yeah, you can see that the fat has rendered out a lot, and the meat has started to come back off the bone. And take this out of here. Oh yeah, oh that smells good. Bring it over to the sink and drain out this oil. We don't need that. Take some tongs and place the ribs on here. And put some barbecue sauce on top. Can be very generous with the sauce. You can just coat all the top of your ribs. We're gonna cook this a total of 45 more minutes at 375, and every 15 minutes we're gonna baste the ribs with some barbecue sauce. It's been 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add another layer on. This in for another 15 minutes. So this is the last basting. This back in the oven for the final 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So hungry. You have to be very patient with this meal. Let's get a close-up of one of these. It just looks so juicy and tender.
All right, time to eat.
We made a fresh coleslaw too to go along with it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's delicious. The sauce is very well. You can't taste anything like pork. Let me try the coleslaw. It's good.
The sauce is
Doesn't
very
come off.
sweet, caramelized, because we gave it that 45 minutes in the oven at 375, and so it has this nice like skin of barbecue sauce on it.
It got smoky taste to it. Cook it very well.
Yeah, it easily comes off the bone, and it's easy to chew. Are you happy? Good. The fat has rendered down quite a bit when it was cooking at 275. So it's not like too chewy in the mouth, or it has a good texture where you feel like you're eating meat and not fat.
I just can't talk. I want to keep eating. I don't want to talk. It's waste my time. Keep eating. Oh, this big one. This big one.
Do I have sauce on my face?
Yeah. Looks good. It's fine.
It's fine. I'd say the last 15 minutes of the cooking process, you're likely to get very hangry. So be prepared. Take a breath. It'll be worth it once it get in your mouth. I think what keeps you interested is the tanginess to it, and there's a little bit of spice. It's a very well balanced spice. That made it worse, I'm sure.
I made it to the next. Okay. That meat is very crunchy. That's good. I don't know. I didn't finish another one. I'm greedy, I guess.
You just want to keep grabbing them. It's kind of like impossible not to lick your fingers.
Our cheerleader behind us. Keep going. Man versus food. Who's gonna win? You'll find that out. Is there a reason you eat each meal separately? Why you don't eat together?
I don't like to eat my meat with my sides. I like to eat my meat first, get that down, and then follow up with my sides. It's just a personal habit of mine. I think the only exception to that is Thanksgiving. You have to dip your turkey and your mashed potatoes in gravy. It's like a must, but otherwise.
The sauce is very nice.
What do you like about it the most?
What do you like about the most?
I don't know, there's just something about it that, like, there are some sauces that are very vinegary, or sauces that are overly sweet, and taste of molasses. And this one is just a well-balanced sauce. And I don't know, there's just something about it that just makes me feel like, oh, this is the taste of barbecue that I most like. So, starting to wind down. Feeling pretty full.
Not pretty full. I can still take it.
Okay. Bring it on then.
I would definitely give this sauce 8.8 out of 10.
Okay.
I like the sour taste to it and a little bit sweetness. Just one recommendation. One recommendation is, you know, just give me more spice kick to it. That's my personal preference. I like spicy food, and they might have some other sauce might have more spicy, but we'll find out.
Are you gonna keep going?
Yeah. Okay. How many do you want?
One.
Okay, you pick one and I eat the rest.
Eat this one. Oh, you're right by my head.
If you have any recipes that you like, feel free to share with us and see if we can make it, and then we can do another mukbang like this. But I'm using both hands. Personally, I don't like to use both hands.
Why?
I don't like my hands get dirty.
Got our final ones.
You sure you want me to have it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do this.
Sure. Getting there. Ooh.
You want it?
Yeah. Ooh. I'm ready to wash my hands. How about you?
Me too. Hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.